Hello folks, today we're changing the cabin air filter in my wife's 2018 Chevy Equinox. She's been complaining about an odor and I started it, drove around a little bit, and I started smelling it myself. It's like a vinegary smell. So if you get like an odor, smells really vinegary or sour smell, is an indication that your cabin air filter needs replaced. There's different models of brands out there. I picked this one up at O'Reilly's for $19.25. Made in USA. If this is the correct one, I won't know until I start this. Then that will be the part number. So we're going to find out together. If not, I still have the receipt to take it back and exchange it. So if the guy behind the counter did his job right, this is the right one. So there's different videos to do your research on. This is my perspective for my channel. If it's your first time doing this, you will need a 732 nut driver or socket. Nut driver is better. I don't think it's torqued down severely tight. And there's a clip on the side that I'm not sure if I can get to, so I got my Irwin long needle nose pliers. Probably won't need them, but we'll find out. So it is behind the glove box, like most cars. These press in. There's little rubber stoppers. There are little stoppers back here on both sides, so you'll need to push those in. But on the side over here, I will need my pliers for, because I'm gonna go get that. You gotta like pinch this. I might be able to. Nope. We'll use my needle nose pliers. You're going to want to squeeze this together because it's like tabs that squeeze and lock this into place, because this is the hydraulic thing that allows it to come down slow. I'm not going to be able to get that off. It's a tight squeeze. So I'll use my needle nose pliers to pinch it together and pull it off. We're going to go ahead and drop the rest of this first. Just like that. I might be able to get it now. They give me a little bit more room. Nope, still can't. It's a little bit tough. You just grab you some needle nose pliers. I'm gonna open this door so I got a little bit more room here, and you get more light. And you'll see what I'm doing. Just squeeze, and I use the other hand, and I'm gonna push this away. Okay, I can't do this holding with one hand. There we go. All right, that's all you do. It is easier to do without a camera, phone. Okay, right here's where your cabin filter is, and there's the nut you need to take off. You don't have to put this back on. It does have a snap bracket, and it clamps in. So you got one here, one there, but it snaps in place. So we're going to go ahead and take these out and replace this. They're not very long screws. There's one, see, not very long screws. That might come out. No, I will have to take the other one out. I didn't know if the other one was for something else or. And this is a little bit tougher squeeze. You could use your, if you got a small socket, you can go with that. And I might have to do, because it is at a weird, there we go. It's a kind of hard angle because I'm right up against the side of this, trying to do this with a nut driver. First one was easy because it was straight on. Once you get these out, you do not have to put them back in. like I said, it snaps in place. They put these in. You're not gonna blow it off. Okay, now we're getting easy. I might be able to stick my hand in there. I might be able to do it by hand now, maybe. Okay, here we go. This would be a lot easier to do if I was not trying to look through the phone. There's little pinch tabs right here. Push that in, pull out on that side, and on this side. You can't see this side, so you gotta feel. Right. Should raise up like that, and then there's your filter exposed. Got a little tab right here, a little cutout where you can grab and pull out. Okay. And you see it's black, goopy, and this is a good chance to look at your part number. This is a Micron Air GM, and these are cheap. You can go and get you one from there, but why put the same brand in or same one that they're wanting to sell if it's going to cause the same problem? So it's pretty dirty inside there. So I'm going to have to open the plastic of this thing, and this is a charcoal filter. Doesn't say charcoal filter. So we will match up this. Actually looks like this is a little bit shorter, but not. Everything else is about the same, so I guess shorter not really gonna matter a whole lot because it's just a fraction shorter. There's no part number. There's the part number for this model, but it will not go in sequence with our new one. So let's go ahead and make sure that the new one fits. And this is hard to do with one hand, so we're gonna flip you upside down and open the new filter. Let me get my knife. I don't want to crush the filter trying to rip the plastic. This will be a lot quicker if you're doing it by yourself. Okay, now you have arrows on here, the airflow. All right, it's going to flow down. So it needs to go in like this. All right, the other one had arrows as well, went in like this. Okay, and this does have a little part number right there, and I noticed that we have a little part number right there, part number. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the new one in and try to do it with one hand again. Slide it up. There we go. Found the hole. Found the hole. Like I said, this would be a lot easier if you weren't trying to film. But Someone tell no. Step. All right, there you go. It's in there. You shouldn't have to force it. It should slide right in, but you gotta hold the tab. You gotta hold the lid up. Snap down. You have the option now to put the screws back in here and here, but you heard the snap. It snapped in place. It's got a little give. You have the option to do that. You don't need to. It's not going to come back out. To open it back up, you open the gates. Put it back together, raise it up, put your clip back on that side, and you're done. Cabin air filter is installed. As always, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to have some more videos coming your way. And hit the bell icon to be part of the notification process. For every time I upload something new, you get notified so that you can watch it. Until next time, this is Christian Knife Guy. Stay safe and don't cut yourselves, friends.